This is the Dogestive product. It's an equivalent product to our Equigestor product that we make for horses. This product is a combination of nutritional powders, herbal powders, like slippery elm, fennel, licorice, a few other more interesting ones like chamomile, that all have a great benefit to tone the digestive system, support the microbiome, and also soothe any pain that might actually be present, for example, with colic. If your dog has something like diarrhea regularly or just a general sensitive type of digestive system, this would be my first go-to product. It's the sort of thing that you would use if your dog had been, picked up something out in the field and you were worried, maybe looking a bit off. You could use it in that more sort of acute situation. Or if your dog is in general a sensitive gut type of animal, you can use this on a daily basis. I would recommend that you add it to a raw diet. That's what we recommend here. And if you're thinking that you'd like to transition to a raw food diet because you're currently not using raw food and you're not quite sure how to do that, please take advantage of our full free consultation service. We're more than happy to help you.